Mabuhay! A warm welcome to everyone and thank you for joining us today. My name is Maxine Phoebe Arbite and I will be your tour guide as we explore the rich landscape and cultural stories of Davao del Norte. Before we begin, it's important to understand that this province stands on layers of history far older than the modern cities and resorts we see today. Long before outside influences arrived, this land was home to the Mandaya, Mansaka, and Sama peoples indigenous group who shaped their own system of trade, leadership, and spirituality. Their deep respect for nature guided every aspect of life from farming to ritual to navigation. When Spanish colonizers attempted to control the region, they struggled and indigenous tradition remained strong. Later, during the American period in the early 90s, migrants from Luzon and Visayas arrived, turning Davao into an agricultural hub known for abaca and coconuts. This fusion of indigenous roots and migrant culture formed the Davao del Norte we know today. And as we explore each destination, we'll see how nature, culture, and history blend into one incredible story. Welcome to the Montfort Bat Sanctuary, home to the world's largest colony of Geoffroy's rosette fruit bats. Beyond its recognition by Guinness World Records, this sanctuary marks an important moment in local conservation history. During the late 20th century, when deforestation and wildlife exploitation were widespread, the Montfort family made an extraordinary choice. Instead of commercializing the caves, they chose to protect them. This decision preserved a habitat critical to the bats, which act as natural reforester, dispersing seeds across distances. Historically, bats were often misunderstood, linked with fear and superstition. But here, they became symbols of ecological balance and environmental stewardship. The sanctuary's success shows how one family commitment help safeguard an entire ecosystem, transforming fear into appreciation and science into action. We now arrive at Hagimit Falls, one of the Samal's island's most enchanting natural gems. Long before it became a tourist attraction, this place was part of the spiritual landscape of early indigenous communities. Waterfalls like Hagimit were seen as sacred spaces where the physical and spiritual worlds were believed to meet. Rituals for healing, blessings, and thanksgiving often took place near these flowing waters. Beyond its cultural significance, Hagimit also tells a geological story. The rock formation and cascading tires were shaped over thousands of years as water carved its way through limestone. These layers existed long before human settlement, making this a site where natural history and cultural heritage intertwine. Today, visitors come for relaxation and recreation, yet the serene energy of Hagimit still reflects the reverence that ancient communities once held for this place. Our final destination is Vanishing Island, a stunning tidal sandbar that appears and disappears depending on the sea's movement. This ever-changing landscape reflects centuries of coastal living in Davao del Norte. Before modern navigation tools, local fishermen relied on their deep understanding of tides, currents, and stars. Sandbars like these serve as temporary resting points, not permanent settlements, because early communities recognized their fragile nature. This mindset reveals an important cultural principle: adoption rather than domination. Instead of trying to control nature, people learn to live harmony with its cycle. Vanishing Island remained a powerful symbol of this relationship, constantly shifting yet always returning as if has for generations. Even today, its changing from reminds us of how deeply connected coastal communities are to the rhythms of the ocean. As we conclude our tour, I invite you to reflect on how each place tells a unique part of Davao del Norte's story. The Montfort Bat Sanctuary shines as a triumph of conservation and ecological awareness. Hagimit Falls remain a living echo of ancient spiritual traditions and natural history. Vanishing Islands symbolize centuries of coastal wisdom and the enduring partnership between people and the sea. Together, these destinations showcase how Davao del Norte is shaped not just by nature, but the culture, memory, and resilience across generations. Thank you for joining me, Maxine Phoebe RBT, on this journey through time, heritage, and beauty. Once again, mabuhay, and may your stay be filled with wonderful and unforgettable experience.